Okay, good morning student. Today we are, since we have already started exercise 9.1, today we are going to start question number 7. Okay, the question number 7 is that like this given, from the point of a ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. We have to find the height of the tower. Okay, so look at here, sir. This is the base, this is CD is the base, and also here you see this is the height. Here you see AB is the height of the tower, AD, this is the height of the building, this is the height of the building, and from the building it is the height of the tower. Okay, so what you have to find, that is BC of the height. Since BC also given how much, 20 meter. Here you see BC, that is the height of the building, how much given, 20 meter, and we have to find AB, that is the height of the tower. Height of the tower, we have to find it out. Okay. So what given? Angle C. Here you see, suppose it is a building, and after the building there is a tower there. If the tower makes the angle with the building, how much? 90 degree angle, right? It is a 90 degree angle. Now look at here, since C is equal to 90 degree, and also that is the angle ADC, that is 45 degree. Okay, that is BDC 45 degree and ADC also given 60 degree, right? So look at here, in right angle BCD, what is the right angle BCD here? BCD. In case of BCD right angle, here you see, this is 45 DC, this is 90 degree, okay, right, and this angle I, total this angle are 60 degree, okay. Now look at here, in right angle BCD, tan theta is equal to perpendicular base, we know or not? Tan theta is equal to what do we know? Perpendicular by base, right? This is you have to know. This is the basic formula. Tan theta, suppose you have to find, that is perpendicular base. That is you have to know. Cot theta how much? Base by perpendicular, like that. So tan theta how much given? Here is 45 degree, right? So 45 degree is given or not? So tan 45 degree, what the value? That is you have to know from the table. Table means tan 45 is equal to 1. And BC given how much? Perpendicular by base means BC by CD. When BC by, this is BC by CD, perpendicular by base, understood? Now BC by CD, so how much we are getting? BC how much? 20 meter, CD we have to find out, CD is equal to how much? CD is equal to 20 meter, right? So CD is equal to how much we are getting? 20 meter. Now we are coming to this segment. Here you see in triangle ADC, now we are taking ADC, this angle equal to how much? 60 degree. This angle equal to how much? 90 degree. Now here you see tan theta is equal to, again I am doing perpendicular base. That is the basic formula we have to know, isn't it? This is the basic formula, perpendicular by base. So tan 60 degree. Whenever tan theta is equal to how much given? Here you see, sir, where from you are getting the tan theta 60 degree? Here, because we are taking the triangle ACD, where it makes the angle, that is how much? 60 degree, that is 90 degree. We have to find this angle value, okay? Now look at here, so tan theta is equal to tan 60, that is again AC by AD, okay, that is perpendicular by base, right? So tan 60 is equal to how much? That is you have to know, root 3. No, but to write it here 1, root 3, then AC by 20. CD is equal to how much we get? CD is equal to get 20, right? So 20 meter we write down. So AC is equal to how much? 20 root 3 meter, right? Now we are coming to the AC. You can tell me, sir, how you have written AB plus BC? That is the question, na? So AC is equal to how much? Look at here, AC. Look at here, AC from here to here ground and here to here tower. So AC is equal to how much? Total AC. So AC is equal to how much? That is BC plus AB, right? That BC plus AB is equal to AC or not? Isn't it? Now look at here. So here you have written AB plus BC, that is 20 root 3 meter. Okay. Now we are coming to the AB plus 20 meter. How this is value given? 20 meter equal to 20 root 3. Now we have to find AB. AB is equal to how much? 20 root 3 meter already there. So 20 root 3 meter minus this one will come. Whenever it plus in the left hand side, when it come to the, that is in the what? In the positive side, that is in the right hand side, it become negative or not? Negative. So 20 root 3 minus 20 meter, right? So AB is equal to 20, we can take the common, right? So 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. So the height of the tower AB is equal to 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay. Clear? Understood? If you not understood, you tell me, because you see basic in DC we have to know that is the building. After the building there is a tower. Here from the tower. Here from the tower. When the building is here, it make the angle 45 degree. When the total tower is make is the angle of 60 degree. And that is we have to find out AC. Okay? And AC means AB plus BC. And that value we are getting 20 into root 3 minus 1. Okay, meter. So today after that part we are coming out of the next by that is question number 9 by tomorrow. Okay, one by one.